What's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna install my seat on this Yamaha 550. Let's get started. Okay, so apparently all the footage went missing, and that's no problem. I'll just explain you the steps that I did until now. So as you can see, I cut the frame already, and this is what came off it. And then why I cut the frame obviously is that when you have the original subframe on it, the new seat doesn't fit on it, so that's why I had to cut the frame. And also I had to I bought this new loop frame which I cut for the right dimensions to be able to fit my seat on it. And then I bought some metallic pieces just to be able to weld it better together. So here you can see, fits pretty nicely into it.
2 hours later.
Fits really good. And then when I put this, the seat on it, you will notice that the frame follows the seat perfectly. Then next thing what I did is I drilled 2 holes into the loop frame, where I will be able to put my rear tail light on. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld, well actually my dad is gonna weld the loop frame to the original frame. Then what I will do is I will sand it, that it's nice and equal, and then I will just spray paint it black, and I will be able to attach the seat to it. The loop is welded onto the frame, as well as the little bracket here, where I will be able to attach my seat onto, and also the mud guard. Next step is to spray paint it, so 1 layer of primer, and then next layer will be black paint. So let's do it. Okay, so after having finished painting the frame loop, I let it sit for 24 hours just to be able to dry up the paint. And but now it's pretty much dry, and pretty happy with the result. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drill a couple holes into this plate, where I will be able to fix the mud guard onto, and also the seat. So, Yamaha 550 build is complete. I'm looking forward to driving it, probably next month. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I have a couple more projects coming soon, so I will see you on the next one.